The V-Center 2 550 High Rigidity Dynamic Structure. Supreme rigid and tough column with a heavily ribbed design enables the high Z-axis acceleration for high-speed movement. CAE, Computer-Aided Engineering, design with an 800mm span in the Y-axis results in a maximum stiffness to ensure the minimum overhang distortion for the whole X-axis traveling range, 855mm for the VC2 550 or 1,100mm for the VC2 550L. Heavy-duty Mehanite castings from Victor's licensed foundry are used in the bed and column for maximum damping and strength. Z-axis acceleration 0.75 G minimizes tool changeover time. Supreme rigid and tough column enables the Z-axis acceleration of 0.75 G. Minimizes tool changeover time. Rapid feed 42, 42, 42 meters per minute minimizes non-cutting time. The V-Center 2 550 and 550L presents rapid feed rate of 42, 42, 42 meters per minute in all axes to minimize spindle non-cutting time and to maximize spindle utilization. High damping guideways with high stiffness. Ball screw holders are cast into the machine for even more rigidity and strength. This ensures a constant support for the ball screws over the entire machine life. Large diameter 45mm ball screws and big size linear guides, width 45mm, ensure the high structure stiffness during machining. Direct coupled servo motors eliminate motor backlash and noise caused by misalignment. Directly coupled 12,000 RPM spindle assures part surface finish. Directly coupled spindle, DCS, with high torque spindle motor. Spindle motor is directly coupled to the spindle to avoid the vibration resulted from belts and enhance surface finish on components. 12,000 RPM spindle speed with high torque output accommodates both heavy cutting at low RPM and high-speed machining. Two types of spindle motors meet the power requirement for milling steel and speed requirement for milling aluminum. Oil-air lubrication with filtration system is used for spindle bearing, and air dryer has been included as standard to further assure air quality for ultimate service life for the spindle bearings. Air curtain has been added to constantly give the spindle an extra coat of protection. Easy access to working area and perfect swarf and coolant disposal. Easy access to working area and perfect swarf and coolant disposal. NC package. User-friendly control panel with rotary control box facilitates machine operation. Standard Fanuc 21IM control enhances the cutting efficiency and compensates the shape changes in the tool path. Optional Fanuc 18IM Hayden-Hain ITNC 530 controls meet mold manufacturing requirement for specific customers. Performance test. Face milling capability. Efficiency on 166 holes drilling. Efficiency on 166 holes tapping.